What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Before I get started in today's video, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. At the point that I'm making this video, we're currently at 500 subscribers, and that just means the world to me. I really enjoy making these videos and I have fun doing them, and to have that kind of feedback from you guys that subscribe and like and comment the videos, it actually means the world and it pushes me to keep going. So thank you so much. 500,000 next. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be releasing for my brand tomorrow, Friday the 22nd. So at the point that this video is getting out, the day after that at 10 a.m. I'm going to be dropping on my website, janoliva.com. And I just want to talk a little bit about my experience making the clothes, designing it, what the inspiration was behind them, the process with dealing with manufacturers and all of that. So let's get started. So the first piece that I'm going to be talking about is this shirt that I'm currently wearing. This is what I call a muscle tee, and that's just because it makes your arms look like you're a little bit buffer. This shirt was originally inspired by this shirt over here. This was a sweater, like one of those sweatshirts, and I cut out the sleeves and I made a boxier here at the bottom. You've probably seen it on my Instagram. I'm going to leave a picture here so you guys know how it actually fits. But this was the inspiration for that boxy look. And I really liked the material of this, and I didn't want to make a shirt that it was like a t-shirt material, very thin. So it's going to be more of a heavyweight material. It's going to last you longer, and it just feels better on the body. After that, I was learning how to make clothes from scratch instead of just grabbing an existing sweatshirt and cropping it. So I actually went ahead and made this shirt, just a normal shirt. I learned how to crop it, how to do my own patterns and all that, and then I added these two, and this is just a pair of gloves that I had lying around, and I said, why not put them like this, like if somebody grabbed you, just like that. I originally put it in different positions, so it was going down, up, the middle finger, all that stuff, but I ended up going for this one because this is the one that resonated with me the most, and I really liked this, so I decided to go this route. So I ended up reaching out to a few manufacturers, and I ended up going with one that's based off of LA. So these shirts are actually cut and sewn in LA, and that to me was a very nice thing because it was actually made in the US. I really like the material. They were going to source it for me, and the shipping doesn't take as long, or the production time, just because we're using US labor and it takes less time to ship domestic than it is overseas. Now I want to show you guys the first sample that I received from them, and this was a shirt that you saw me wearing the other day. This shirt, I really liked it. I really liked the material, but the hands were way too big, as you can see here, and I wanted it to be like real hands. So if you look at this one, it's actually the size of my hand, so it's made to scale. And this one was just too big, and I had a bunch of people like ask opinions about them, and they all say the same thing. So we went with smaller hands, and as you can see here, they missed part of the wrist, and in my original mock-up it has that part of the wrist here, and I wanted that to show. So this is what we finished with, and this is what we started with. But like I said, the material is amazing. The feel of it is really good. It doesn't wrinkle in a weird way, and it's a very nice heavyweight material. It's still breezy enough that you can wear it for the summer. You can layer it, you can do whatever you want with it, and I really like the neck of it. So as you can see, the neck is a very nice thick material as well, and I want to show you the inside so you see what I'm talking about. So this is shaped cotton terry, and it's a very nice material. The difference between the regular terry and the shaped one is that, as you can see, this has a clean finish, as opposed to those hoodies that you wear that it has that little fuss like the lint inside of it that makes it nice, but at the same time it all sticks to your body when you sweat or anything like that, and I didn't want that, so we went with the shaped one. And yeah, this is the shirt. This is how it fits. I'm currently wearing a size large. I'm in between medium large. Sometimes I like the medium more because it's a little bit more cropped, and sometimes I have the large. I am going to have a size chart on the website for you guys, so if you're one of those people that really care about measurements, you can go check that out. You scroll all the way down, the size chart is going to be there. It's also on the brand's Instagram if you want to go check that out. And I'm 5'9" and 161 pounds, so you guys can kind of have a reference. And there's a picture here of my girlfriend. She is 5'3", 120 pounds. And this is how it looks on her. It is tucked in, but it really looks good on women too. So girls, if you guys want to cop one, definitely go for it. So let's talk a little bit about pricing. So these shirts are gonna come in at $55 free shipping, and that would include the packaging, the shipping, handling, everything is included in the price. So $55 flat, no tax, nothing. I try to get the price down as much as I could, and this is a fair price that I came up with due to the fact that I'm an independent designer. It took me a lot of time, a lot of dealing with manufacturers. We got samples done. We had to get a required minimum order, so these shirts are actually ready to go. They're not a pre-order. You're not gonna wait a month to get them, because I hate that. So when you order the shirt, I'm gonna ship it next day, 1 to 3 days. The shirt you're gonna have them. It was just a must-have for me. I hate when you order some stuff and it comes a month later and you already forgot that you bought it. So I made sure to have all the shirts with me before I went into releasing them. And yes, like I said, they're cut and sewn in LA, so domestic labor is a little bit more expensive. They source the fabric for me, the printing, the tags, the care tags, all of that. So I try to keep the price as low as I could, and this is what I came up with. If you can't afford the price, that's totally okay. I totally understand that it's not everyone's cup of tea, but if you definitely like the shirt, definitely cop it. If you really can't afford the whole shirt, shoot me a DM. Maybe we can work around it. We'll see what we come up with if you really want the shirt. But definitely, if you can't afford it, share it on your Instagram. Support your boy. We're trying to make it out here. But yeah, let's get on to the next item. Alright, next item I'm gonna be releasing is these ties, and these are actually clip-on ties. Let me get closer, you can see. So as you can see here, you have a little clip, and it would just clip, because I don't want you guys trying to figure it out how to tie a tie and all that. If you know, you know, but if not, you're gonna have to looking it up online and all that. And I just didn't want you to go through all of that, so we got a clip-on one. Very nice, simple tie, all black. It's gonna come with 3 pins, and these 3 pins are fully removable. So you can see one has the brand's name, one has this that comes with this, you know. And then we have 2 guns, and the history about these 2 guns is that I was supposed to release a pair of sunglasses with the guns here. I couldn't get it done, probably for fall, winter. We'll see if we can get them done, but definitely stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a pair of black, clean glasses with the guns here, where the glasses have those little detailings. I'm trying to figure it out with manufacturers, how we can get it done and how we can get it done cheap, so you guys can cop for a low price. Nothing much to say about this tie, just a plain black tie with the pins that you can remove it. You can wear it all black, or you can wear the pins somewhere else. On your Adidas Samba maybe, I don't know, whatever you want to put them on, or you can leave them in the tie. These ties are gonna come in at $20, free shipping. Like I said, I don't want you guys paying for shipping or anything like that. So $20 shipped out to your house. I forgot to say that we do have a very limited amount of shirts in each size, and a very limited amount of ties as well. So I'm not saying we're gonna sell out, because I don't think we're gonna sell out, but definitely cover your size as fast as you can so you don't miss out, because I'm not gonna be re-releasing any of these stuff. And last but not least, we got a Suno bag, just the normal bags that I told you guys how to do. These Suno bags are gonna come in at $70. I know that $70 is a lot for a lot of people, and it's a lot for me too, but it's just very expensive to make these bags because of the material that I use, and the price per yard is really up there. So that's why in the first place I made a video on how to make these bags, a DIY. So if you guys want to make your own bag, it will pop up here, or just Google Jan Oliva how to make a Suno bag and you'll find the video. This is gonna be my most limited item, and that's just because it takes me a lot of time to make. So I'm only gonna have a few of them available, so if you can, definitely cop it. If not, support, share, watch the video, make your own. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much again for 500 subscribers. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. we'll be releasing all of this stuff. As usual, if you really liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.